Talking with Birds by Ann Sheridan. A talking pet. It happens all the time. A person walks into a pet shop and hears a loud hello, but the greeting did not come from a person. It came from a talking parrot. Many pet owners choose a parrot because they want a pet that talks back. Also, a parrot is a pet that can live up to 50 years, much longer than a dog or a cat. There are about 350 different kinds of parrots. Parakeets are loyal pets. They like lots of love and attention. Parakeets. A talking parrot is an amazing pet, but before you buy one, you need to do some homework. The best way to learn about pet birds is to start with a smaller bird. A parakeet is a small and gentle bird. Many pet parakeets can learn to talk. Some parakeets can learn up to 100 words. Birds are different than mammals. A mother parakeet hatches her babies from her group of eggs. Most mammals give birth to a baby that does not hatch out of an egg. Some mammals, babies, like puppies and kittens, are born in a litter. Parakeets grow from 8 to 14 inches long. They live from 5 to 10 years. Quaker parrots. Quaker parrots shake and quack their heads and quake at their heads. That's how they got their name. Quaker parrots are some of the top talkers in the bird world. They learn 50 to 60 words in their first year of life. A Quaker parrot grows up to 12 inches long. With good care, it can live to be 20 to 30 years old. A pet Quaker parrot is happy to be outside its cage. A Quaker parrot is full of energy. It needs exciting toys and time outside its cage to stay healthy. Quaker parrots are not hairy, like dogs and cats. They have a coat of bright green feathers, but they do not shed feathers. The cages need to be cleaned once a week. African gray parrots. African gray parrots is one of the smartest birds in the world. It can learn hundreds of words. This clever parrot can make other sounds too. It can imitate the sounds of a telephone, a doorbell, or a video game. The African gray parrot can live to 50 to 60 years. The African gray parrot grows up to 13 inches long from beak to tail. The African gray parrot is so smart it gets bored without enough to do. This bird likes puzzles, games, and lots of toys to chew. Pet owners clip toys all over the parrot's cage so it can get its exercise when it plays. Learning to say hello. Many people buy a parrot just to hear it talk, but some parrots never learn to speak. One reason might be that even smart parrots need a lesson or two. There are tricks to teaching a parrot to speak. Each pet bird is different. Some learn to talk right away. Others take months or years to say their first word. Training tips. The first tip is to put the bird cage in the right place. Put the cage in a room where people come and go. Parrots like different sights and sound. All the actions will help get a parrot to talk. A parrot likes to hang out with its owner. Use a happy voice when you talk to your parrot about food. Food words. The next tip is all about food. Parrots need a good diet. They don't eat canned foods like cats and dogs. They eat special dry bird pellets. A parrot that likes its food is easier to train. A parrot first words should be short. Use food words like treat or chew. Each day, repeat the food words when you feed your pet. Music and movement. Another good tip is to play music. Parrots love all kinds of music. They try to match the sound they hear. You can whistle to your parrot too. Before you know it, it will whistle back to you. A parrot likes to copy the way its owners move. Try flapping your arms as if they were wings. Before long, your parrot might flap its wings in return. Pet parrots are full of amazing surprises. Did you know that some parrots like to dance? It's true. If you get a feathered friend or a pet, watch out. It might copy your best dance moves. Dancing parrots like music with a strong beak. The end.